Your job requires compliance training, and you need it done right. Whether you work in food, cosmetics, drugs, or medical devices, we've got the courses you need. HACCP, PCQI, GMP, ISO 13485. FDA labeling. If it's required, we cover it. And it's not just any training. Our courses are interactive, engaging, and taught by industry experts who know what actually matters. The courses offer 24/7 access, allowing you to learn at a pace that suits your schedule. 25,000 plus professionals and top companies trust us to help them stay compliant and ahead in their careers. Oh, and when you finish, you get an official, globally recognized certificate, fast. Need help along the way? Our experts are just a call, chat, or email away. Get trained. Get ahead with Registrar Corp.